Christy, cleanup needed on aisle 9. Cleanup needed on aisle 9. Got through all those trees in about a half hour's worth of work. And just got to get those over there. That one you got to climb up the log and go to the far side and cut it down. But just that, you have this thing open. A lot of branches. Lot of branches. Lot of branches. It's looking better. Well, a little bit of mowing and a little bit of trimming. We still got some more branches and stuff to trim up, and we'll obviously have to have a fire. But it is looking bueno, man. Looking bueno-rific. Even mowed down the aisleways here. Still got, see, I got all these little branches to clean up and stuff. But it's looking better. There's Christy. And we got the lane all mowed up and cleared. I'll come back here tomorrow and do a bunch more mowing. So it's looking good. Well, more progress is being made. There's that sandbox that you were talking about, Barb. Well, this thing actually is burning a little bit. But it's looking better. We're getting close. Still got a lot of mowing to do. Got all the way to the front mowed. Got all the way around. Just got to do some more getting branches out of the way and stuff. So it's looking good. Creek looks beautiful. You can see the path all the way down now. Beautiful night. Give you a quick drive around, see how far we got. Well, we see the pasture there is pretty, that's cleaned up. That tree will be a nice fire. Got some mowing to do here yet. A couple of more trees to clean up. Catch up right in here where I got the mowing going. That lane's open. Awful pretty. Got this mowed up pretty nice. That lane's open. This lane's all the way open now. This lane's got to be mowed up yet and then trimmed up a bit. I gotta mow down there and trim out a lane that way. Hard to drive and hold this camera. Creek looks awesome. Got things to fix the swing today, so we'll fix the swings. And we're back where we started. I didn't mow that over there. That's actually not Sorgs' property, but I imagine they don't care if we keep it up. And there's the gate, looking good. I'm getting ready to put a no trespassing sign up right now.